Welcome everybody to a new video by the Architect's Notes. Today we're going to see how to edit a block in place. We see here that we have four different doors, and we are going to see how to adjust the frame to the width, to the space between walls, how to remove this line that we see here from the block, and how to add this line to the block. First thing, how to find the edit block in place. The easiest way, I will show you later another way. The easiest way is to click on the block, right click, and here you have it, edit block in place. You click OK and you isolate the block. You still see the context. This is why edit block in place is so useful, because you don't need to measure things and then go inside the block editor to adjust or anything like that. You are aware of the context, you see it all the time, and you can adjust things accordingly. You can move the frame there, you can extend this, you can see the spacing, you can see everything. Important, the context is there, but you can't change anything. If we try to erase it, for example, it doesn't let us. This is very important. Two things I want to show you. First thing, how to add and how to remove elements to the block. The first is how to add. We want to add this element. We come up here and we add it to the working set. Now this line is part of our block and will be updated in all the blocks that are the same. And the same removing an element. We select that line, we remove it, and we will see now that it's not there anymore in any block. We click here, we save the changes, we click OK, and there you have it. This line is part of the blocks, and this other line is not part of the block anymore. We can select it independently, we can erase it. However, you see, this is just one entity. If we remove it, we remove the entire thing. This is the first thing I wanted to show you. The other thing is a different way of accessing the command. The shortcut, or you can type ref edit. You have it there. So let's select the block. Let's type ref edit and type enter or space, and there you have it. It's the same command. This is edit block in place. We click OK and we are inside the block. Once inside the block, we, instead of coming up here, clicking and add, remove or save changes or discard as well, we can do it with the keyboard. This can be very useful when you're working in full screen mode. How to add or remove, you type ref set, add or remove. Let's try add, for example, and we can add this extra block here. We type enter and you see that it's part of the block. Control Z, how to remove, ref set, remove. You see that line is not part of the block anymore. We can save the block also. Type in ref close, enter, and then we have this window popping up, save or discard reference changes. We click save and we go and click OK. That is very useful as well when you're working in full screen mode, as I said. And this is it. I think it's very simple, but it will really change your life, the way you work with blocks. I hope you liked it, guys. Like and subscribe if you found the content interesting. See you next time in the next tutorial of the Architect's Notes.